on behalf of Thrive MD, I want to extend my warmest welcome and deepest gratitude to all of you here today. This moment marks the beginning of a dream come true. I started practicing po more than a decade ago. And it has been a journey built on hope, determination, and the profound belief that everyone deserves the opportunity to thrive.
Specialty clinic like this, tutulungan sila ng mga specialist para ma-understand kung ano talaga yung totoong kalagay ng anak nila, kung ano yung kailangan pa nila. Kapag mas maaga na na-diagnose at saka ma-treat ang isang special condition like sa anak namin ng Down syndrome, mas malaki yung magiging improvement niya as she grows old.
Kasi sa mga katulad namin na nagkakailan na, maraming bagay na hindi na nakakilala. Katulad ko, sa actual, gano'n ang nararamdaman ko. Parang gusto ko na huwag lumala yung sakit na yun or ma-revive na yung memory, manatili, gano'n pa rin. Kaya siguro, malaki may tutulong ng dakong ito para manatili yung memory ng isa.
This is just the beginning. Together, I hope we will continue to foster a community where everyone, clients, families, and staff alike can thrive. Thank you so much for celebrating this milestone with us today, and I hope we can move forward, always inspired by compassion, collaboration, and a shared vision of success. Thank you and welcome to Thrive MD.